This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Vinted app and not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna provide you three solutions in order for you to fix your Vinted app from not working. So first, go to your Google Play Store, and then from here guys, just search for the Vinted application. And then from here, just tap on it. And for this solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then once you are on the settings, just scroll down and tap on the apps. And then over here on the apps, just try to find the Vinted. And then also over here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So once you find it, just tap on it. Then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. Then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. So now, if the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall Vinted on your device. So first, uninstall it on your device. And then after that, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!